Alright, as you guys see here, it's Rock Headshots, FaceTimer Eddie Torrance. It's 1-0. I'm getting hit offline. Just want to point that out. There's no reason for me to drop post. I'm getting hit offline. As you see here, we got a pick. We're 1-0. I'm getting hit offline. Okay, just want to let you guys know that. Getting hit offline. Alright, as you see there, it's 2-0. It's gonna drop post. It's gonna drop post. I'm getting hit offline, no doubt about it. My partner's mic is cutting out. Alright, as you guys see there, it's gonna be a look. He's lagging. He's lagging. Either me or him's getting hit. Me or him's getting hit. So I don't know what's going on. It's okay, Bonasty. I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit offline. Any minute now, it should say fucking disconnected from server. Any second now. FaceTimer got a pick. As you guys see there, we got a pick right there. It's just me and him now. Alright, as you guys see there, I've been signed out of PlayStation. I got signed out, as you guys see right there. Yup, look at that. Got signed offline. Lovely. Fucking lovely. Alright, guys. Well, that's my proof. It's a one and done, so they had to fucking make us drop post. Fucking lovely. I'm gonna try to sign back on. Okay. It's not gonna let me sign back on. Oh, they let me back on. They stopped the attack. That's real cute, Eddie Torrance. Fucking pussy. See, they're not joining. I would start the game back at 2-0 where we had them. We had them at 2-0, 2-zip. 2-zip. 2 fucking zip. They're not joining. Partner. Alright, there's my... Dude. No, they hit me offline, but they stopped the attack right when I got offline. They're not gonna join. Dude, we had them up 2-0, yo. Let's fucking go. Hey, can you hear me or is my mic still lagging? Okay. They're fucking bad. Alright, guys. Well, this is my proof of this video. Alright. I'll give it to a 5-minute video. I told you they were going to hit me offline when they found out who I was. They're fucking pussies. They're scared. If they know what damage I can do if without Z Hitta, they're fucking bad. Regardless. I got the first picks off first, man. Oh, let's fucking go. They can't fucking hold.